The letters beyond the dot in a web address are known as a top-level domain. We're used to seeing common domains like .com, .gov, or .edu because there have only been 22 of these domains in use. But in 2011, things changed. Hundreds of terms were registered as domains, making branded options available. Some are geographic, like .nyc, and some are industry-related, like .shop or .bank or .storage. New domains are a major change online, and they're your chance to move beyond the .com for your own business. Because the .com marketplace is so competitive, storage companies often have to use long, unattractive, and hard-to-understand domain names. That's not good for customer memory or establishing a strong online presence, and it's not great for your brand either. Only the .storage domain will tell your customers they've come to the right place. You'll be able to create shorter, more descriptive domain names. Plus, .storage is more secure than a .com because not just anyone can sign up for it. And we have the ability to remove anyone abusing the domain. Because the domain is new, storage companies who adopt a .storage domain today can pick from the widest variety of names that aren't available as .com addresses. Besides, it's only a matter of time before extensions like .storage become the norm. Google and Amazon have hundreds of new extensions going live. Future-proof your web address by adopting a .storage domain now. Whatever type of storage your business offers, a .storage domain name will make your brand easier to find online and help you stand out from the competition. Visit register.storage to claim your own .storage domain today.